Hello friends! Recently the official premiere of the new generation GLC took place, and at the end of this year Mercedes will present us the GLC Coupe. At the front we see an almost identical design to the SUV model with sleeker headlights that are blending with the front grille. The grille consists of dozens of three-pointed starred Mercedes logos. New 20-inch wheels. At the back we see a spoiler and the slightly different design of taillights. The interior will be the same as the new GLC with a ported touchscreen and digital dashboard. And of course ambient lighting. The new GLC Coupe will be built on the new MRA platform. Engine lineup includes 2-liter 4-cylinder engines, 2 gasoline and 1 diesel. All versions work with a 48-volt starter generator. 3 hybrid versions will also be available with an electric motor integrated into the automatic transmission and the 31.2 kWh battery. Battery charge enough for 120 km. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, see you in the next videos.